How to configure AI actions in Paint. This tutorial shows you how to control which Copilot-powered AI features are available in Paint. First, click on the Start menu and type Registry Editor in the search bar. After that, click on Registry Editor from the search results to open it. Let me show you. From there, navigate to Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows. At this point, click on Current Version, then click on Policies. In the next step, right-click inside Policies and click on New, then click on Key. Following this, name this new key Paint and press Enter. Once done, right-click inside the Paint folder and click on New, then click on DWRG 32-bit value. From here, name this value Disable Co-Creator to turn off the Co-Creator feature specifically. At this stage, double-click on the new value and change it from 0 to 1, then click OK. Following this, repeat these same steps using Disable Image Creator or Disable Generative Fill if you want to turn off those features too. Keep in mind, Remove Background and Generative Erase can't be disabled this way. Microsoft currently keeps those features locked on. Finally, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's it. If this guide helped you configure AI actions in Paint, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.